This is SEL Lesson Plans in 1 minute, and I am David Paris of BrooklynSEL.com. Today, we are going to share broken squares, a unique lesson to get students to think respectfully about the needs of other students in their class. People, it's possible. The activity comes from Unit 3, Lesson 16 from the book 50 Social Emotional Learning Lessons, Volume 1. Here we go. All right, you're going to need poster board or cardboard, scissors, 25 large envelopes. You're going to use the diagram in the preparation for broken squares to create 15 broken pieces of a square for each group. Label each envelope with one letter A through E. Using the letters on the diagram, find the pieces that go to each envelope. Now, this can sound tricky, but just go back to the instructions and you're going to get it, but definitely takes attention to detail. All right, here we go. Cut 5 cardboard squares of equal size, 6 by 6 inches. Mark each square as shown in the illustration. So we make that mark there. The lines should be drawn so all pieces with the same shape will be exactly the same size. After drawing the lines, cut each square into smaller pieces that will make up the puzzle. Mark 5 envelopes with the letter A, B, C, D, and E, and distribute the puzzle pieces into their corresponding envelopes. Again, this is tricky, so just take each step one step at a time, and at the end you'll get it. Divide the class into groups of 5. If there are extra students, they can be observers or judges. That can be a fun job. Each group gets 5 envelopes labeled A through E. Explain that a square has been broken. Each group member has 3 pieces of that square. Explain that the group's task is to put 5 equally sized squares back together. Let them know that for this activity, they cannot talk. That's the tricky part. They can also not ask for anyone else's piece, verbally or non-verbally. That's why it's nice to have a judge. They may, however, give any number of pieces to a teammate as many times as they like. So it's a lot about giving. It's how we're connecting to kindness and respect. At the end, it's going to take a while, but at the end, assuming they finished, was it challenging to need others in order to fix your broken square? It's a key difference. We're going to notice interconnection. And how is this game a metaphor for life?